Alright guys, here we have his '09 Silverado Chevy with 176,000 miles on it. I've got it running pretty smooth at the moment, but previously, maybe 160,000, I had like a rough idle, and I cured that by putting a purge valve in, which is pretty simple fix. We're gonna check this out. Let's see what we got under it. To fix it, it was pretty simple. It was only like a couple of clips. Pop this off. The purge valve is just sitting in right here. We had like this hose connects to it on one end, and then on the other side I got the electric and the other hose exiting. It's a super simple fix. You just gotta pop the wires out, unclip those clips. The clips are a little bit tricky, just the way they designed them. You just gotta pop this out, and it should just shimmy out of there. The wire on the back side, you just gotta unclip that, which is pretty easy as well. And the other exiting tube here is the same as the first one. But as soon as you sort of figure that out and get it out and put the new one in, it should idle a lot better. And you shouldn't have any further issues, realistically. But mine did throw a code when that popped up. From memory, it was like a 244 or something.